Hi everyone, my name is Tariq and I will show you more ways to add different types of transitions using VSDC Video Editor. If you want to learn to use more transitions in your VSDC video project other than just fade transitions, this video is for you. You will need to have VSDC Video Editor installed on your computer before watching this video. If you don't have VSDC Video Editor installed yet, I suggest you to watch my first tutorial video on how to install VSDC Video Editor. Please pause this video and come back once you are done installing VSDC Video Editor. Once you have installed VSDC Video Editor, let me show you on how to add different transitions into your videos. Step 1. Please open your VSDC Video Editor. Close the Pro version offer. Go to New Project, underneath Projects, or Blank Project, underneath Start Project Now. Make sure you set to the video settings I showed you in my last video. If you have forgotten, pause this video now and refer back to my second tutorial video. Step 2. Once you have checked your video settings, click Finish to get started on a video project. Step 3. First, let's add a choice of 3 objects. Before adding an object, please take note that adding a picture or a text box will last differently from adding a video. To make a picture or a text box last longer, select its layer and drag it to how long you want it to last. Later, I will get into the details for the process. But first, let me show you on how to add transitions into a video. The text or picture will come later. Step 4. After adding a video, select the video layer. Go to Video Effects, find Transitions, and decide which transitions to use. To test on how the transitions will look like, select each option. Test play to preview and note down which transitions you would like to use. You often get to the end of the scene being selected first, meaning you can to have it at the beginning only, choose from start of the scene instead. You can also have the beginning first and have the end transitions if you like. You can decide which to add first. You can also drag the inside layer to see how long the transition lasts for. For example, drag it long, the transition will last longer with a slower pace. Step 5. Return back to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer under Object Name and Test Play by putting the cursor at the beginning and press play. This time, let's see how we can use transitions with a picture or text box like in a PowerPoint presentation. Let's go back to step 4. Step 4. After adding a picture or text, select the object layer and stretch to the right, then decide how long the object will last for. Select the object again, go to Video Effects, find Transitions, and decide on which transitions to use. To test on how the transitions will look like, select each option. Test play to preview and note down which transitions you would like to use. You often get to the end of the scene being selected first, meaning you can have the transition at the end of your clip. Step 5. Return back to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer under Object Name and Test Play by putting the cursor at the beginning of the clip and press play. It's time to add some progress that's worth mentioning. Let's start with the 6th step for adding a clip at the bottom first. If you have some clips saved in this project. Step 6. You can still keep your clip with the transitions I showed you earlier. Let's make sure the bottom clip doesn't have the beginning transition. Go to Object Name. Click on the name of the bottom layer, and while you are inside, delete the beginning transition first. Step 7. Return to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer underneath object name first. Go to object name. This time click on the name of the top layer, and while you are inside, adjust how long you want the ending transition to last. Once adjusted, test it. Once satisfied, return to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer under object name. Step 8. Mark your cursor where you started the ending transition. Once done, put the second clip underneath the first clip. Once done, test play from the beginning until end. Step 9. Add one more video or picture while keeping the first and second clip at their place with their layers. Step 10. Go inside the second clip once again. Delete the ending transition and then return to the main layer setup. Step 11. Select the third clip. Go to Video Effects, find Transitions, and decide which transitions to use. This time, choose from start of the scene and press OK. Decide on how long you want the entering transition to last for. Once done, return to the main layer setup. As long as the transition isn't too long and it finishes with the second clip just decent. Step 12. On the second clip, mark your cursor of where you want your third clip to go above. Once done, put beginning parts of your third clip on some ending parts of your second clip. Step 13. Once all done with the layerings of clips, put your cursor at the beginning and press the red play button to test play your transition preview for each clips. I hope you are able to add transitions into your VSDC video project. This time, adding different transitions with other clips were a lot harder since I needed to keep testing transitions at different layers and get the timing right for each clips. I hope this tutorial helped you in adding different transitions to your VSDC video project. If you like the video, that's great. Or you can dislike it for any reasons, such as finding this tutorial hard to follow or the steps didn't make sense to you. I am open to hear your experience from this tutorial. For our 5th tutorial video, I will show you how to add music or sound into your VSDC video project. I hope to see you in the 5th tutorial video. See you then. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.